The topic is Shebang in Linux. What does Shebang mean and purpose of using Shebang in Linux? Shebang is a initial statement consisting of special characters which tells the operating system which interpreter should be used to execute. So it consists of hashtag exclamation path, that is /bin/bash. The hashtag and exclamation says to the system, don't read this text as regular text. Look at what is next to it. For example, after hashtag exclamation shebang, it consists of the path. Most probably that would be /bin. /bin means the binaries /bash or sh or dash. So if we were not to use shebang, Linux system wouldn't able to know which translator, that means which interpreter to use for executing that shell or that command. Let's understand this by an example. I will switch to the downloads folder from the root and create a file, that is shebang.sh, by doing vim space shebang.sh. Now click insert after you get inside the file. Then perform hashtag exclamation mark /bin/bash. That says to the Linux system we are interpreting bin bash. That would simply mean Linux interpreter, please use bin bash, that is bash, to translate or to interpret the command by using bash. Also one more thing, bash, dash, sh, all are same on the core. 90% of these are same. However, most simple or most used is the bash. So we must at least know one. Now in my case, I will be doing bash. You can also learn bash, which is a standard or which is most common. I'll do echo space. Shebang means calling or letting system know which language your command or which language to interpret your command or script to be. Escape :wq exclamation to exit the vim mode. Now that we have created the file or the script, let's run it. To run it, the command is // and the script name. For example, in my case, that is shebang.sh. It shows permission denied. By default, permissions for execution are denied for users, groups, and others. In my case, I am the user. It still doesn't have the permission by default to execute. To bypass this, we must be performing chmod to let the user have the permissions. For example, I would be doing chmod space 700 space file name or script name, that is shebang.sh. Here 700 means 7, that means all the permissions for read, write, execute. 00 means no permissions for groups and no permissions for others. So only user, that is me, that is executing right now, has the permissions to read, write, and execute. Now after we change the permission, let's try it again. Now it's executable. So that is it for the video today. I hope our topic was simple and insightful. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.